Hey guys, I wanted to share with y'all, I look rough. There's a reason for this. No filter. But I had purchased my first Kashmere Kollection, which is from, if y'all know Atlanta Housewives, or the former Atlanta Housewives, if I could spit it out, Kim Zolciak-Biermann. And she is has a new show with her and her husband and family, the Don't Be Tardy on Bravo. So anyways, love that family. They're great. Anyways, as I'm getting older, 40, and having 3 children, changing my body, and being out in the sun, and wrinkles, which I'll give y'all close-ups of those. But anyways, I spent money on this little joker. I'm gonna open it. Say a little goes a long way, let's hope. Because this is gonna be my first time using this. Now, grant you, when it first came out, and it's extremely new, this is it. It is the, you'll probably see it backwards maybe, or do y'all see it just fine? Anyways, it's Kashmere 3-minute Wrinkle Repair Cream. It claims, I got my notes, it says, create your own vanishing magic and fade away lines and wrinkles in an instant. Our Kashmere formula creates an almost instant illusion that in 3 minutes will leave the skin looking smoother, radiant, and more youthful. Yay! And then it says which skin types is it good for. Normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. Plus. Then beauty benefits. Kashmere Kollection 3-minute Wrinkle Repair Serum is finally giving women an ultra hydrating dual purpose serum that reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles immediately and reduces redness, itching, and irritation in just one application. That's awesome. One application. Dear God, I need a whole tub of this. Anyways, it's best for reducing the appearance of fine lines and crow's feet, reduces dark circles and puffiness. Apply by soft patting motion, which I'm horrible at applying stuff. Maybe that's why my face is all stretched out and wrinkly from You can use it all over as a primer. First, apply a hydrating facial serum and let it absorb for 1 to 2 minutes or until fully dry. This is cruelty-free and it has all natural ingredients, which I will list all that in the description below, and the website to where you can go get it if you're interested. This wrinkle cream, get ready guys, retails for $112. Right now you can get it for $89. I happened to catch the quick sale because I have her on my Snapchat when it came out, and I got an extra 40% off. You can go to their Facebook page and they have awesome little deals where you can get percentages off of their collection. There's all kinds of different things that I would like to try. However, I have a family and 5 kids, so my main thing right now is working on the wrinkles. We'll go to the next thing. And I believe I spent, hold on, let me see if this receipt's up in here. And I'll tell you, oh, here we go. I paid $44.50 for it. And that's pretty darn good considering the price right now. But hey, if it works, great, and a little goes a long ways, so that's even better. Well, let's get ready and let's do this. gonna have y'all. Oh, it comes in a little pump thing. So here we go, guys. We are going to see if this works. Maybe I should see the wrinkles, my hooded eyes. It says it even works on your wrinkles between your brows and forehead. It said it fills it all in, pores, all kinds of stuff. So let's do this. Well, I gotta get it to come out. See, it pumps. Maybe. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Maybe is it focused? Maybe it'll focus in a minute. But it's interesting. It's creamy, soft, kind of almost like a primer. So it says apply in a soft patting motion. Y'all have to keep y'all's mouth open when y'all put makeup on and stuff. Ladies. And it says to apply a thin layer. Alright, y'all see my... It says just in 3 minutes. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything. For this money. And Kim, I love you. But us poor folks with big families can't afford all this stuff. But I'm telling you what, if this works, I'll be praying the Lord keep this stuff on stock. Make sure I have me a little box of savings to myself. You'll see I got forehead wrinkles. I like to do this too much. See, I ain't so gentle. Pat softly. I'm gonna get in there. Now, I'm gonna do a... Y'all gotta watch out for that. I got on my shirt. I am not gonna waste it, guys. Alright, let's see. Well, I need to bathe my face in this. I'm telling y'all guys, in 3 years, I have really put on the wrinkles and aging and all that. But welcome to the world of 5 kids. I think that'll do that to you. That, finances, I mean, the shit gets real. All right. Y'all see this eye? And I hate this, what they call a bed wrinkle, where I like to lay on this side and then it wants to crease. So let's try this. We use the camera, see if that works. This side's really bad because this is the side I lay on. So you younger girls that are watching this, lay on your backs. Lay on your backs and snore away. Because I'm telling you now, laying on your side is only going to get worse. Just through your 30s and especially... Okay. Now. I don't know if there's a difference yet. We gotta wait. Let's see. Let's read the back of it. Apply serum to desired skin imperfections. Lightly pat or dab into cleansed skin, which I did prior. Do not rub. Can be used alone or with makeup. Dear God, I need some makeup. God, I hope I don't scare y'all away. With an advanced complex of peptides and microalgae fractions, this luxuriously hydrating anti-aging formula improves the appearance of all skin types. Okay, I was trying to see the ingredients. There's a lot, so I'll just get that in the description below. All right. Any difference? Do y'all see any difference? Maybe this side. I don't think it's been 3 minutes, but we'll see. I'm gonna pause it real quick. Be right back. Okay, guys. So, it's been 3 minutes or a little bit longer. I've got before pictures, and I'm gonna post those so y'all can see. And then, let me see, can y'all see a difference? Close up. I put it here, 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 and here. And honestly, now she's got a whole line of stuff. It's pricey. And maybe I should have bought those too, like the hydrating face serum, which goes into your skin deeper than an actual moisturizer. So probably need to do that. I just washed my face and put a toner on. I didn't put any moisturizer on. So that probably would have helped if I did. What I'll do is I'll do another video with a moisturizer or hydrating serum to see if there's a difference. I don't really see a huge difference that I would pay $100 almost for this, or well, $112. Right now it's $89, but I don't know if I could spend the money on this unless it actually works with doing the other stuff to your face beforehand. So sorry, Kim, I love you and your show, but this here is not a miracle cream. Anyways, guys, I will do another video, like I said, but this is without moisturizing or hydrating, so take it for what it is, and I'll do before pics.